is official. I got it. I got it, baby. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Pro X Superlight 2, número 2, DeX. This is the ergo version of the new Logitech mouse that they came out with, which I am really excited. I'm happy they actually came out with this. I wish they would have came out this thing years ago, but hey, you know what? I'm happy they listened and they finally came out with it. 60 grams. Why it's called the Superlight 2 is because they use the same components as the Superlight 2, and also they upgrade the firmware for that one to run 4K. Because when that mouse came out, it goes up to 2K. Now I think it go 4K, and I think another firmware update you can go up to 8K. So it is pretty fucking awesome that they also doing for that mouse as well. But I'm really happy to try this mouse. I finally got it. When I saw it, unfortunately, I did order the Maya X 8K. I wind up canceling it because I was like, what happens if I don't like it? Then I had to go to a process of returning it. And when I saw that they was going to come out with this mouse, I said, well, I might as well just go with this better off. And I just got it here today, so I'm excited. 2 other colors. One of them you're looking at, all 3 of them. The one you have right here in front of me is the black one. The other 2 colors, they have in white and pink. Now, they come out with the red one and this one. You bet your ass I'm going to get it if I like it. As you see, Light Force. Now, the switches used is a hybrid. It uses mechanical switches and optical as well. You could go adjust it if you want to use purely optical, but I think they did this for you to save more life on the battery as well, which is awesome. So let's open it up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, baby. Ho, 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 ho. Feels good. Let's do a quick sound test. Don't rattle nothing. Really build quality, and the quality on this thing is really good. But then again, if you put too much pressure over here, I thought I would hear like a creak, but not really. Now at the bottom of the mouse, it's again the same thing as the original Superlight 2. At the bottom, inside this thing right here, it is the storage to your USB wireless receiver, but also this mouse is compatible with the power puck or power mat. I don't even remember, Jesus. And it comes with the PTFE puck as well if you want to. So you have a lot of options, and also a USB Type-C. So I just love how this mouse feels in my hands. Oh, feels so good in the freaking hands. So let's continue. See what else is in the package. As you see, USB adapter, so USB Type-C to USB Type-A, and I kind of like how small this wireless receiver adapter, whatever you want to call it, looks. And it will be 8,000 hertz in wireless. This is awesome. Awesome. What else comes in the packaging? What else we get? What other goodies we get? Of course, we get a rubberized cable. I know some people may not like it, but RIP, what can you do? Comes with more grip, side grips for the mouse, grips for the primary left click and right click, and finally a puck that's PTFE. If you don't see that this is not enough grip, I mean not enough grip, Jesus. If not enough glide that you want it, you could add that puck to make it more glide. But I think it's perfectly fine. So let's stop the video right here. Let me set everything up and show you guys how it looks. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I did update to the latest firmware. Everything's good to go. I'm really excited about this mouse because it feels really good in my hands. Perfect. And also I love how the side buttons is positioned. Perfect for me because I can easily hit the back button and the front button as well. I do apologize for that. and I'm just happy with it. So let's see, man. I just want to play video games, see how it feels. But so far, so good, man. It just feels fucking perfect. I'm going to love this mouse. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll keep you guys up to date if you want. If I make another video, or you want to ask me later on down the line, like maybe a few weeks, telling me how do I like this mouse so far, I will promise you guys I will respond as soon as possible. It just depends on my schedule. Till then, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to sign off. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Goodbye.